Hola amigos! Welcome back to another Mexican made meatless video. Today I want to tell you about the most amazing vanilla from my friends at Voladores Vanilla. Voladores works directly with vanilla farmers in Veracruz, Mexico to bring us some of the world's finest vanilla beans. They're also a small family-owned business, and if you know me, you know how much I love to support small businesses. When you receive your order, it comes in these sealed packages that protect the vanilla bean pods. You know Voladores is top quality vanilla because the pods are soft and bend easily, and the smell, oh wow, it is out of this world. You'll also receive these cards with tables showing you how much alcohol you'll need and how many vanilla beans for said alcohol amount you'll need to make your vanilla extract. It also indicates the different amounts required when using extract versus gourmet grade beans. My beans are gourmet grade, so I only need 5 to 8 beans for the 350 milliliters of alcohol. Now, you don't need to do this with such high quality vanilla beans, but I wanted to speed up the waiting time so I can use my vanilla extract as soon as possible. So all I did is I used a paring knife to slice down the vanilla pod to expose the tiny little black beans inside. Since I used these 2 small bottles, I needed to cut the pods so they'd fit. In the larger bottle, I used 3 pods, but only sliced 1 open, and in the smaller bottle, I used 2 pods and I sliced 1. For the alcohol, I use vodka. I know some people like to use rum or brandy or even whiskey, but I like the clean and clearness of vodka. Combined, my 2 small bottles required the exact 350 milliliter of alcohol recommended on Voladores' card. Once tightly sealed, it's important to keep the bottles in a cool, dark place, and every day should be shaken a little bit. Recipes online say the vanilla extract will be ready in 2 months, and that may be, but I can tell you that just after a few hours, my extract, the vodka was already getting that caramel color that, vanilla extract normally has. And it's been about 5 days since I made my extract, and the color is darker, and the smell, oh my god, it is so heavenly. And I cannot wait to use the extract and share some recipes with you. Amigos, do buy yourself some of this high quality vanilla beans. I've never seen this quality or smell before. And you can find Voladores both on Instagram and Facebook under Voladores Vanilla, and you can place your order through either their Etsy or eBay shop. And of course, I'm going to leave all the links and information below the video. Thank you so much for stopping by, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss those coming recipes featuring this gorgeous vanilla and so much more.